Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Manyata the Explorer. I am your lecturer VP sir. In this session, going to discuss about the following topics are here. In that, electric dipole and their explanation and expression for electric field due to axial line as well as the equator line here. So we know very well about electric charges and fields. So field is nothing but there is a space or region where charges are going to be experiences. In the same way, we can define electric dipole also. How define madbodu navu andre? There will be two charges, equal and opposite charges anta ankonana. Say it is called as what? Two charges. Say it is called plus Q. Say it is called as what? Minus Q here. If these two charges which are separated by the distance of what here? 2a anta ankonana. So with the help of this diagram, ಏನು define ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't bother about their signs because charge is a scalar quantity. We only focusing on what? Magnitude ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we only focusing on what here? Magnitude ತಗೋತೇನೆ. So with the help of diagram ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ equal and opposite charges, the magnitude of the same charges which are separated by the distances, that is called as electric dipole. In the sense what? ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು? Equal and opposite charges separated by certain distances, certain distance. It is called as electric dipole because these two charges will use what electrical influence ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. But thing is that ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus charge ಇದೆ minus charge ಇದೆ. It means to say that plus Q ಮತ್ತೆ minus Q 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೇನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ the total charge per system is 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. No, never. They interact together which are separated by distance of what 2a ಇದೆ. So therefore it is going to be called as electrical dipole ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. For example ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ H2O is the best example of what here? Electric dipole ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ OB is what center of nucleus ಇದೆ. Here it is what H positive and H minus ಇದೆ. Here only focusing on the magnitude of H molecules ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Then these two are act on a center of what O molecule ಇದೆ. The angle between these two is what 105 degree ಇದೆ. So therefore to equal and opposite charges are ions which are separated by the distance of what 2a, it is called as electric dipole ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Then what about movement? How the moment is going to be takes place? It is similar to what momentum ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ. ಹೇಗೆಂದ್ರೆ for a convention the electric dipole moment is always from negative charge to positive, which is represented by the symbol what here? Vector p, because it is basically a vector quantity. So therefore vector p be the electrical dipole moment because we are choosing what product of either charges. ಎರಡು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ magnitude ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. That is called as what Q ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ which are separated by the distance of what 2a. ಹಂಗ 2a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This 2a is called as strength of dipole, or you can say that dipole length ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So therefore this will be a expression for electric dipole moment. So charge is there, distance is there, and usually the SI unit of electric dipole moment ಏನು ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ coulomb meter, nothing but a coulomb meter be the SI unit of a electric dipole moment here. For dimensional formula concern, charge is what here 80, then distance is what L here. So therefore this will be a dimensional formula for a electrical dipole moment. Because as per definition of electrical dipole moment concern, the product of equal and opposite charges which are separated by the distance of water 2a here. Distance 2a, it is simply called as electric dipole moment anta karitare. So therefore, for convention, dipole moment ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ dipole moment is always from negative charge to positive charge. That is represented by the symbol vector P here. So therefore, P equal to Q cross 2A, then it can be represented by Coulomb meter anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is nothing but a electric dipole, or simply called as electrical dipole moment anta ಕರೀತಾರೆ. With the help of electric dipole moment use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು have to find out, ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ expression of electric field in the axial line as well as in the case of equatorial plane ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. What is that electric field? ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, electric field is nothing but a system having what n number of charges, either they having a positive charges or negative charges ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. Because of that presence of a charges ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, force of attraction ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, force of repulsion ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, depends on what nature of charge ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the system or region going to be experiences, going to accelerate electrical charges, that is called as electric field ಇದೆ. With the help of that idea, how to derive expression for what a electric field. Electric field of a dipole in an axial line. Here there is a technique to draw a diagram for this derivation. Let us consider this will be called as what here, dipole plus q and minus q. As I said earlier, these two charges which are separated by the distance of water 2a ಇದೆ. You can choose any position. ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. You can choose 1 coulomb of charge ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That 1 coulomb of charge is called as what? 1 coulomb. That point is called P ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Dipole moment is always from negative to positive ಇದೆ. Say it is called as what? P ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. This P is called dipole moment. This P is called as what? Coulomb of charge or test charge ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. Having what? 1 coulomb ಇದೆ. So this is what positive charge, this is what negative charges, and presence of a charges on the axial line. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Even though having 1 coulomb of charges, it will experiences electric field. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ because presence of a source of a charges, even though having a small magnitude, this will experience what? Electric field ಇದೆ. We know very well about the charge property. Negative positive will attract each other. So therefore, electric field is towards what? Negative charges. As I said earlier, so it is called as minus EQ. It is a positive. 1 coulomb is positive. Here it is positive. Positive are get repel each other ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So this will be called as what? Electric field due to positive charge. Then this will be called as continuation here. Then this is called half of a dipole. We call it as, this is called as distance between a point charge and half of a dipole is R here. With the help of this diagram, we able to derive expression for a electric field. So we know very well, consider equivalent opposite charges which are separated by the distance of 2a, simply called as electrical dipole moment by the presence of 1 coulomb of charge on the axial line. What about electric field? So therefore, equation becomes electric field due to positive charge. Electric field due to positive charge. ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1/4πε0 ಕ್ಯೂ ಬೈ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ write expression here. So E equals to, it is due to what? A positive charge E plus Q equals to 1/4πε0. Then equation becomes what here? For positive charges EQ is there, but thing is that this is called A, this is called A, total length is what? 2A here. So here half of a dipole here positive charge is there, so therefore R plus A, in the sense what? R plus A, because R square is there, that is what? R square. So it is called as equation number 1. Now have to deal with the negative charges also. EQ ಇದೆ 1/4πε0 ಇದೆ. What is the equation here? Due to what? Negative charges, so remains same ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Then A plus R ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ R ಇದೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ, so therefore R minus A whole square ಇದೆ. So it is called equation number 2 ಇದೆ. With the help of equation 1 and 2 need to calculate electric field at a point P. ಈ P ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ electric field ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಪತ್ತೆ ಹಚ್ಚೋಣ. So electric field at a point P is, electric field at a point P is given by, in the sense what? Total electric field, E total ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. It is nothing but it is due to positive charge, it is due to negative charges. So we know very well, by applying E plus Q and E minus Q values in the equation 2 here, sorry, equation 3 here. So what is that? E plus Q is nothing but 1/4πε0 Q upon R plus A whole square ಇದೆ, minus 1/4πε0 Q upon R minus A whole square ಇದೆ. So with the help of this equation, the common terms are, because the charges are in magnitude, equation can be rearranged as Q upon 4πε0 1/R plus A whole square minus 1/R minus A whole square. There will be a cross multiplication between these two terms here, then equation becomes, equation can be rearranged ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, as usual need to calculate electric field at point P ಇದೆ, so therefore vector E ಇದೆ, so Q upon 4πε0, then cross multiplication ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, R minus A whole square plus R plus A whole square divided by, it is in the form of what? A plus B into A minus B, then becomes what? R square minus A square raised to square here. Then equation becomes Q upon 4πε0 ಇದೆ, we can rearrange also. So ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ R square minus 2AR plus A square plus R square plus 2AR plus A square here. So equation is replaced as ಇದು ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು minus A square. Then equation is becomes ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, this equation can be written as Q upon 4πε0 into bracket R square plus 2AR plus A square plus of minus R square minus 2AR plus A square divided by R square minus A square here raised to square. As soon as minus enter to this term, then equation becomes q upon 4 phi epsilon naught r square plus 2ar plus a square minus r square, minus up minus becomes plus here, plus 2ar minus a square divided by r square minus a square raised to square. Okay, then plus r square minus r square plus a square minus a square get vanishes. Then equation is electric field at a point P here. So q upon 4 phi epsilon naught here. Then 2ar plus 2ar becomes what here? 4ar divided by r square minus a square raised to square here. So equation can be rearranged. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 into 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught q cross 2a into r divided by r square minus a square raised to square here. We know very well about electric dipole moment. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ? P equals to what? Q cross 2a ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4a ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ 2 into 2 becomes what? 4a ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So for that reason, so wherever the term q cross 2a is there, just replacing the value of what? Electrical dipole moment replace ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. Then equation ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, see here, then equation becomes what? Q upon 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught 2 is there. Wherever q cross 2a is there, replacing by what? P into r divided by r square minus a square raised to what? Whole square ಇದೆ. If dipole is very very short dipole or very small distance idre, if distance is what? R is very very greater than a, where a is called as what? Half of a dipole, simply called as what? Short dipole ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, wherever the condition is used, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught 2p into r here, then becomes what? R square minus a 0 become ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because r is very greater than a ಇದೆ, then square, then equation again becomes 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught 2p into r divided by r square into square becomes r is to 4. Then finally the electric field at a point P ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so therefore E total equals to 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught 2p divided by r cube here, where this r and 1 r term get cancelled here. Then equation becomes what? 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught 2p by r cube. So this will be a expression for electric field at a point P in an axial line here. But thing is that electric field due to point charge, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ electric field ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ E equals to 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught q by r square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ electric field ಏನಿದೆ 1 by r cube ಇದೆ. This is due to for dipole ಇದೆ. This is due to for what? Point charge. So therefore for what? Point charge. This is what? For dipole. So for sake of our understand, this can be represented as E is proportional to 1 by r square. This is due to what? A point charge. Here E is proportional to what? 1 by r cube. So this is about a difference between a point charge as well as a dipole with respect to what? Electric field here. After completion of electric field of a dipole in an axial line, we move on very important derivation that is called as electric field due to equatorial plane with respect to what? A dipole ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. What is that? for equatorial line here. Okay, as usual, consider a dipole having what? Positive charges, having what? Negative charges. Okay, then which are separated by the distance of what? 2a tagotini. For convention, dipole moment is always from what? Negative to positive ಇದೆ. So this is called p tagotini. Okay, I am choosing a point charge, say it is called 1 coulomb, that is represented by what? 1 coulomb point p anta tagotene. Because of positive get repel ಆಗ್ತವೆ, I am just drawing a line here. Because of positive charges, dipole in the sense what? Electric field get repel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, nothing but E plus Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Because of positive and negative charges get attract ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, electric field towards what? Negative charges. So this is what? Minus Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then it makes an angle, then this will be called as resultant electric field ಅನ್ಬೋದು. So therefore E at P here. Then this is called as what? A vertical line, side is called R. It makes an angle on either side theta. Okay, here with the help of this diagram ನಾವೇನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು? ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಡೈಪೋಲ್ positive and negative charges separated by the distance up to a and placing a 1 coulomb of a charge on the equatorial plane. Determination of what? Electric field here. So electric field due to positive charge ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? E plus Q here equals to 1/4 epsilon naught ಇದೆ. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1/4 epsilon naught Q by R square ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ Q upon R ಬರಿಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ angle ಇದೆ. According to Pythagorean theorem, half of a dipole is what? A here, this is what? R here. So therefore the diagonal is equal to square of other side ಬರುತ್ತೆ, then becomes what? R square plus A square. Similarly, electric field for negative charges E minus Q equals to 1/4 epsilon naught. Charge is a scalar quantity, minus Q ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೋಣ. Then here also makes an angle R square plus A square, because this distance is what? A here, half of a dipole, R square plus A square. Set is called equation number 1, set is called equation number 2. Here also ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ determination of electric field for a point P ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ electric field ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? So therefore electric field at point P ಏನು ಬರಿಬೋದು? But thing is that E plus Q is equal to E minus Q ಇದೆ. So therefore in the sense what? Vector E equal to E total is equals to E plus Q plus E minus Q ಇದೆ. Wherever the term E minus Q is there, replaced by what here? E plus Q, then it makes an angle horizontal ಆಗಿದೆ. It makes an angle what? Cos theta here. Then equation becomes what? E total is equals to 2EQ into cos theta. So we know very well about EQ value. So EQ value becomes what is that EQ value? 1/4 epsilon naught Q upon R plus R square plus A square into cos theta. With the help of that diagram, we come to know that cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. What is that adjacent by hypotenuse? The equation becomes from the diagram a upon root of r square plus a square. It is simply called as what? A upon r square plus a square raised to 1 by 2. So wherever cos theta is there, replaced by that value here, then equation becomes 2 as usual, 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught q upon r square plus a square into cos theta value is a upon r square plus a square raised to 1 by 2 here. If base are same, power can be added here. So therefore, equation becomes 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught 2qa upon r square plus a square raised to 3 by 2. R square plus a square, r square plus a square, power bases are same, power can be added. So therefore, the equation again rearranged as E total, electric field at a point P, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ then 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught q cross 2a upon r square plus a square raised to 3 by 2 here. So for a short dipole, R is very greater than A. Half of a dipole is what? Very small compared to distance of that charges here. Then equation becomes E total, or simply called as what? Electric field at a point P here. Where dipole moment is what? P equal to what? Q cross 2A. Nothing but a product of either charges and distance is what? 2A. It is called as what? P here. Wherever the term q cross 2a is there, replaced by what? P ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Then equation ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught P. Then with the help of this condition, r square plus 0 raised to 3 by 2. Then equation becomes 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught P upon r square raised to 3 by 2. This 2 get cancelled. Then equation becomes electric field at the point P is vector E equals to, or simply called E total, 1 upon 4 phi epsilon naught P upon r cube. With the help of diagram, we come to know that the dipole moment in electric fields are anti-parallel to each other. This is about a expression for a electric field of an equatorial line. Okay, thank you.